lolùgbọ́wọ́ mi, the one that takes care of me, tí ń tọ́jú mi, that protects me. Ní kékeré, when I was a child, ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi ń pọ́n mi, she carries me on her back. Ìyá kú iṣẹ́ o, I thank you, my mother. Mo kí ìyá mi kú iṣẹ́, I commend my mother for her great work. Pẹ̀lú ìtẹríba mọ́lẹ̀, with great respect. Èmi kò lè kọ́ṣẹ́ fún ìyá mi mọ́. Èmi kò lè, I will never refuse any errand that you send me. Ever, right? Ìyá o, ìyá o, ìyá o, mother, mother, mother. See how beautiful that is?
What does Isha mean?
Isha, this one, work. Call Isha, and Ku Isha means I salute you. Ọwọ́ mi tí ń tọ́jú mi ní kékeré, ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi ń pọ́n mi, ìyá kú iṣẹ́ o. Mo kí ìyá mi kú iṣẹ́, pẹ̀lú tẹríba mọ́lẹ̀. Èmi kò lè kọ́ṣẹ́ fún ìyá mi mọ́. Ìyá o, ìyá o, ìyá o. You understand these words? Or you want me to bring the tone higher so that it will be sweet? You can sing
Yes,
higher?
please.
Ìyá lolùgbọ́wọ́ mi. You're not singing.
Or maybe they want to sing it by themselves.
By themselves.
Yeah.
Very
That's
good.
not what
So
Okay,
let's leave them and let's
leave
see
them.
you sing it. So who wants to orchestrate? Okay, let's go. Shade. Kékeré, ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi ń pọ́n mi, ìyá kú iṣẹ́ o. Mo kí ìyá mi kú iṣẹ́, pẹ̀lú tẹríba mọ́lẹ̀. Èmi kò lè kọ́ṣẹ́ ìyá o, ìyá o.